So I've really been wanting to show you guys this video that I found. This guy captures an orb,
It has a round, like, shield.
and it's obviously not like a lens distortion,
fucking nuts.
because you can see there's actually like a volume to it.
And I'll show you the drone right now.
And he's using like professional equipment. Basically, he's zooming in on what he was just looking at right there. Now, I do want to do a little bit of forensics on this as well. So I took a screenshot from there. Let's see what we can find. I'm more so curious if I can find like some sort of depth, which with these orbs tends to happen. I mean, yeah, the orbs always tend to have this weird sort of, well, luminance that's like moving in this sort of like gelatinous way. One thing about the principal component analysis on these is that in one of them, what it will do is it will actually show a sort of, these things are leaving like a trail of something. I can't get it to work. It's like gas coming out of it or something like that. But yeah, you know what I mean. Now, in addition to this, let's do the same thing on what he zoomed in on. I wish I could do this on videos, but whatever. What I think is very interesting here is that this reveals a triangular shape. Once again, not an orb shape. So I think that there's some sort of technology or something going on these crafts that causes whatever's looking at them to appear like an orb. I'm not sure what that would be, but from here you can obviously see that triangle. Oh, more triangles actually are revealed. Yeah, it has a shape. So that's my theory on the orbs. Now there are more orbs. For example, these have been floating around the internet. I think it's due to some technology once again. Yeah, once again, it's like it's almost like it's almost like lights going in and out of it like a liquid or something. That's what it looks like. Or passing through it like a liquid. The higher depth this appears. Nothing there. And then our final contestant for today. Same thing. Interesting, they do have the light does not seem to be evenly distributed in them. Same thing with the fluidity. And yeah.